Welcome to TRONICS. Let's get started. First step is to establish whether the file we have downloaded is an effect, transition, title or a generator. To do this, we are going to open up the folder we have downloaded and have a look inside, to determine which folder it belongs to. By looking at the symbol and comparing it to the diagram provided on screen. As you can see with the TRONIC layers file, it's a title, so that would go into the titles folder. Now the 3D shifter here is an effect, so that would go in the effects folder. To find the location of the folders, we are going to go to the search bar and search for the movies folder. Open up the movies folder and go to motion templates. The 3D shifter will go into the effects folder. TRONIC layers will go into the titles folder. Once you have dragged and dropped the files into the correct folders, your plugins will be installed. Now you can open up Final Cut Pro and start using your new plugins. If you can't find the motion templates folder or it doesn't exist within movies, then you want to open the applications folder. Go to Final Cut Pro and press Ctrl and click. Then click on Show Package Contents. Contents. Plugins. Media Providers. Motion Effect. Contents. Resources. And then Templates. The Templates folder is the equivalent to the Motion Templates folder located in Movies. Now you can drag and drop your plugins here into the correct folder. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.